Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to go ahead and connect your smartwatch 5 Lite to your Android phone or iOS phone depending on what you are using. So as you can see right here, this is my smartwatch 5. So what you need to do is you need to download the Oraimo Health app. You can go to the Play Store and download the Oraimo Health app. I have it installed on my device, so let me search for. As you can see, I have the Oraimo Health app installed. So what I'll do is to go ahead and click on open. So I'll open it. So the next thing I'll do is to come to this section, where is this section close to the profile icon. Yeah, you click on it, then you're going to see your the watch section. So what you want to do is click on the plus icon above. It's going to show the scan. So you have to scan the QR code on the watch, which I've done right now. And as you can see, it's scanning. You can see it's trying to connect to the smartwatch. As you can see, bind successfully. So I'll click on bind successfully, and now I can go ahead and make use of my smartwatch and go ahead and also change the watch face. So if you want to change the watch face, what you need to do is to come to this watch section and you click on this icon. So you click on the once you click on the icon, then you're going to see dial center. Click on the dial center. You're going to see different watch faces. So if you click on it, then click on set as main dial. It's going to download. As you can see, it's downloading right now. So it's just going to take a few minutes to download the watch face. And if you take a look at the watch, you see it shows syncing watch faces. As you can see, syncing watch faces right now. So you can see synced. And you can also set up your own you can also create your own watch face by clicking on this create. Then you can you can make use of images, or you can make use of image or just snap a photo. Let me about that. Click on complete and click on that. So as you can see now, I'm transmitting. I just took a new photo and I'm transmitting it. It's transmitting to the smartwatch itself. So this is going to be my new watch face. As you can see right here, this is my new watch face. So done already. You can also set quick replies on the smartwatch by clicking on the quick reply section to set your custom replies. So you can use this to reply any message on any message that pops up on your watch, right? But this is only available on Android, but on the iPhone you can't do that. All right. So with that said, this is how to go ahead and connect your smartwatch, your Watch 5 Lite, to your Android phone. I hope you found the video really helpful, and if you did, kindly like and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.